Na nababaw kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, meron tayong mga Chicharon Bagnet sa table natin ngayon, courtesy of Pampanga's PorkCrunch. Gusto kong umpisan dito sa side na to. As of now, they have 3 available na sausawan. You can also order this from their fan page. Ito yun guys, meron tayong suka with onion. This is pickled cucumber. And then ito naman yung parang Korean atsara. Para siyang ganun. Cheers! I wanna try this one. Ooh, okay. More of this sausawan pa. Yan guys, malutong na malutong pa siya guys. Naririnig nyo naman yung pumuputok-putok pa yung balat natin. So, itong sausawan na to, medyo, para sa akin, medyo maalat siya. Pero napapasarap talaga dito is yung onion, tsaka yung sili. Okay, for this one, ito yan guys. Oh. So, yung mga chicharon natin, meron pa silang mga konting laman-laman dito. Almost yung lahat ng mga chicharon natin, meron pa silang mga titirang laman. Hindi lang siya puro balat or taba. More guys. Try naman natin tong kanilang para siyang atsara ng mga Koreano. Wow. Ayan. Wow. Sabihin ko lang kung ano yung mga ingredients ng dip na to. So meron siyang carrots, parang radish, meron din siyang sitaw, meron din siyang kamatis, meron din siyang mani, peanut. Ang sarap ng para siyang mayroong smoky aftertaste. Wow. Sa totoo lang, ngayon ko lang natikman to. So yung packaging pala natin comes in this foil pack. Double seal siya guys. Long as 100 days yata it can last dun sa normal storage area natin. Then meron siyang oil. Very easy to cook. Gagawin lang natin, painit tayo ng kalan natin. Mas maganda guys, deep fry. So painitin lang natin yung oil. Right after that, once it's medyo umuusok na, lagyan na natin yung chicharon bagnet natin. Stir it while it's cooking for 4 minutes until it's golden brown. And then you're done. That's how easy to prepare it. Oh, this one, tignan niyo to guys. Laki ng niya. Ooh. Wow. You know what? Medyo nagustuhan ko na to. Parang favorite ko na ata tong Alright, kain pa tayo guys. Yung pork pala natin is 250 grams approximately. It can accommodate up until 4 persons. And then yung oil natin is around 100 ml. Sarap nito. Promise guys. Yan. Sarap. Ang galing ng pagkagawa nito. Sa mga interested pala na maging reseller, available po sila. So make sure to contact their fan page na lang po if you do you wanna side hustle, start business with them. And then dun sa caption below din, you can also find out kung saan nyo sila pwedeng bilhin, mga palengke na sinusuplayan nila. Ayan. Grabe. Sarap nito. Sarap nito guys, promise. Oh, this one. Look at that. Ooh. One last time dip natin dito sa onion and vinegar. Ito yung pinaka-simple. Ito yung pinaka-basic na sausawan. Para dito naman, 50% sweet, 50% sour. But for this one, ito yung patok guys. Yung Chicharon Bagnet natin, plus this sausawan. Ayun guys, if you're interested to taste this one, this is Pampanga's PorkCrunch. Available po sila sa mga ready to cook na mga nitong servings. What's good about this is since ready to cook pa lang sila, it can last up until 100 days or more, no? Then at the same time, kapag nagre-resell tayo, ayan, so mas matagal yung mga shelf life ng mga product natin, and mas maraming makakakita ng mga customers. So, again guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much Pampanga's PorkCrunch for this feast. Grabe, nabusog ako. I think I had like, I don't know, 12 pieces na ganito, no? Sobra, hanggang sarap. And check out their, sausawan guys. It's a must try. There you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends. And I hope you check out Pampanga's PorkCrunch. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.